Let's talk now about HTML formatting. Um, what does that mean, HTML format? This is like how you want the browser to display your text, or how you want your text to appear to the user. For instance, I have a tag called B tag, or the bold tag. Well, when I type anything in between, this is bold text, and I save, go back to the browser, I refresh. You can see that the text that I have here is not just a regular text, but it has some font weight to it, so it is bold. Yeah, not just the regular text that you we always see, right? And this is because I'm using the B tag, or the bold tag. Now there's another tag that does exactly the same, and that's the strong tag. Strong tag. I could say something like this is a strong text. Well, if I refresh my page, I can see that there's no difference between these two. So the bold text and the strong text, they are similar. And there's another one really useful. It's called the italic text, or the I tag. Um, I could say something like this is an italic text. Well, when I save or go back to the browser, refresh, you can see that this is in italic. We always see this in most browsers. Yeah, this is the italic, and that's how you create an italic text. By using this I tag. And then another one we're going to see is the EM, which um, does the same. Let me see, this is an EM tag. Let's see what this do. Well, it is italic as well. So yeah, we have two tags that can make our text look italic. One of it is the I tag, and then the other one is the EM tag. And there's one more. There's actually more tags. Let me see what this one does. Oops, it's the mark tag. I could say this is the mark tag. And let me refresh. I can see that mark, what it does is it highlights your text, so it always gives it this yellow background. So I know that you can achieve this by just using CSS, but if you want to do something quick, you can use your mark tags to achieve this kind of work right here. And there's more tags I want to see. Let me see the small tag. What does this do? This is a small tag. And yeah, you can see this text. Yeah, this is, I don't know what kind of font size this is, but you can see how tiny the text is. So it just makes your text very tiny compared to the rest of the text, because the normal text has a 16 pixel font size, but this could be something below 16 pixel, maybe 12, or maybe 14. Yeah, that kind of stuff. Well, let me see another one. Another tag I want to see is the del tag. or the delete tag. This is the del tag, and it's what it does, guys. Well, it crosses our text. It puts like a line across our text so that it appears as if it was deleted, and you actually can still read it, but it just crosses out our text. And then it's another one called the insert. The insert, I could say this is the insert tag. Let's see what it does. Well, it just gives a border at the bottom, like it puts a line at the bottom of our text. Well, this I know that most links like this one, they by default they have a line at the bottom of them, but we can also see that this tag right here, insert, it puts a line, but it's not like the tag. I mean, it's not like the link that you can highlight and have this cursor pointer, and when you click on it, it could take you to another location. But this one is just a text that has a border bottom of like a line, a solid line. And I have two more to go. Let me see the sub text, sub tag, I mean. And I have two more. Let me see. Yeah, this sub tag. This is the sub tag. And what does this do? Actually, this is called a subscript text or a subscript tag, that kind of stuff. Well, I can see that it is also similar to the small tag. Kind of similar. It does the same. And my last one is the sub tag or the superscript tag. The last one is the sub tag, which is the superscript tag. I could say this is the superscript tag, and see what it does. Well, superscript tag, I don't know why it pushes. So what it does is it pushes this text towards the top, and then yeah, it kind of looks like the sub tag, and also it is similar to the small tag. So yeah, those are my formatting. To see this, well, let me make use of my break tag, the one I spoke about. So just gonna copy and paste it everywhere, just so that I can have these put on new lines to be able to read them. And go back, refresh. Well, I can see them. Each one of them is on a new line, and this is my bold or my B tag, this is my strong, and so on. So these are the formatting that I have to show you that we have in HTML. There could be more out there, but yeah, so I guess that you now know the meaning of formatting.